Hi guys, it's Evie with another acrylic pour experiment. So let's get started. So to start off with, I'm going to start with some white. So my paint is golden paint with Floetrol and water and a couple drops of silicone. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of white in there to start off with. And my canvas is already covered with some Floetrol, just to make the colors move a little easier and cover the canvas a little easier. Next color I'm putting in is yellow green. Okay, put some of that in there. And then I'm going to put some white on top of that. Okay, actually I want to cover the yellow green actually. That's probably way too much white. Next color is a magenta. I haven't used these colors before, I don't think. Actually, you know what? I want to do it from up high so I can mix it in there. Okay. Next color. This is a magenta and a blue together. More magenta than blue. So as you can tell, it's only slightly darker than the magenta I put in there. I don't know why I'm doing it from the side like that. I want to do it from the top. And then this is also a magenta and blue mixed together, but there's more blue in it, so it looks more like a violet. So we'll call this a violet. This is a violet. Put the violet in there. I want, and now I'm doing a dark green. Actually, this is a phthalo green. And there we go, and we've got a full cup. So, do I want to do a flip cup, or do I want to do a something else? Do I want to do a ribbon pour? Let's try a flip cup. I was going to do a ribbon pour, but... And you know what? Let's do a second cup. Let's do a second cup. We can do... Just in case we don't have enough paint. So we don't have to tilt. So I don't have to tilt like a million for a long time. Let's do a second cup. We'll start with the yellow green. We'll put in the phthalo green, and then put in some of this. No, let's put in the magenta. Let's put in the magenta. There we go. And then the kind of magenta and blue. Oh, and a little white. That's right, a little white. Just a little bit white. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look at my... Oh, I am liking that. That looks really good. And I can see some cells. Let's do some tilting. Oh, I may have plenty of paint. I may not need the second cup, but we'll see. I may need the second cup to make it more interesting though. Let's just see what we end up with. So let's get more in the camera. Okay, so this is interesting. Let's get my hands clean. This is very interesting. I'm liking the colors. Okay, so let's see if I can put in some of the second cup in here. And what that'll do. There we go. Interesting. I like the white in there. Let's see if I can. Interesting. I think I'm messing it up. So let's tilt a little so that shape can get more abstracted. Okay. Interesting. I like this. I like these colors. I like the shape. Okay, so let's do this. Let's put some heat in it and see how the cells turn out. Oh. I did get a few cells, not a lot, just a few. I think I'm going to tilt it a little more to the right because I kind of like what's going on the left and I kind of don't really like what's going on the right. So we'll tilt it away. Ooh. Kind of like the lightness that's over here on the left. But let's do a tiny bit. Let's cover up this corner right here. With some paint. Okay. Let's straighten this up. And this is what we have. I really like it. Let's get a closer look. Now we did get a few cells, but not as many as I'd like. So let's go take a look. So the top left, I really like that. The light colors. And then we get over here. I love these colors in here. And we go down. And I like what's going on in this corner. Okay. So this is what we have. This is what we ended up with. I think I like it. Even though I didn't get a lot of cells, I think I like what's going on. Okay, thanks for watching.